Hey guys, today's going to be a little bit different. Jay's in the kitchen. He's going to be cooking up his partridge that he shot last week. He went hunting with my brother-in-law and he got one bird. So this is how he does his partridge. What is it, Jay? How do you do it?
I'm just making partridge fingers.
Partridge fingers. But he's doing it Papa style, his dad's recipe. So there's Jay's partridge. And here we go.
Oh, first I'm going to have to clean her up.
Yeah, I know. You got to take off the wings and everything.
Mm-hmm. So, into the sink we're going. Cold water. I don't want to cook it while I'm trying to clean it.
Mm-hmm.
Still partially frozen.
Yeah, we just took it out today. So, still nice and fresh.
Oop, the gizzard.
Show the people. That's the gizzard.
Yeah, I already.
Some people eat that, right?
Yeah, it's a mussel, so it can be eaten.
Mm-hmm.
I've already cleaned it up when I was out there when I field dressed it. Oop, there we go. There was a lining that was inside here, and it shows what the bird was eating, and it was all getting ground up and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
You take that lining out, and leaves you with the mussel.
Okay.
It's a tougher mussel.
Who's going to eat that? Not me.
Okay.
Are you?
Well, I'm the only one other person left.
Okay. I don't like cleaning the bird because then I have to eat it, and but because I'm looking at it through the camera, it's not too bad. But to actually clean it and then eat it, it's okay without the wings and everything else when it's just the meat. But
Take off the wings. If I can find that joint. Okay, cut through the bone instead.
still partially frozen, or does it make it hard?
No, it's just sometimes it's hard to find the bone joint.
The joint, eh? We gotta make sure that we put that in the compost right away. My gosh, eh? Okay. So that's the hunk of meat we have. It's a nice little breast. It's a fair size, eh?
Yeah, there's some pellets went into it, so that's also why I want to cut it apart. I can get the pellets out of the breast if there is any.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'm just going to give it another rinsing.
Rinsing again, yeah. I was just going to say. That's the one thing. When Jay does catch a bird, we eat it. We don't let it go to waste. Because if you're going to kill something, you have to eat it.
Yeah.
That's the rule, right?
That's right. You got to kill what you got to eat what you kill.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no particular way to do this. Just try to get as much meat as you can. You don't want to waste it.
Yeah. Some people, like a butcher, would be like, "Oh my god!" But it's a butcher. Like we're not butchers. We're just normal people.
Yeah, I'm no butcher here.
No.
So there's the ridge of the bone that goes right here, of the breastbone. I'm going to try to follow along that so I can get as much of the meat as I can. Breast meat. I got a little bit more here.
Some guys are probably drooling. The hunters out there.
Yeah, they might be giving me shit too. Oh man, you're wasting the meat.
Ah, who cares what they think? We have a partridge. first one of the year. It was the first time he went this year, and he got one, so he was happy.
Catch you onto something there. Oh, the collarbone. The wishbone. Yeah, when you're cleaning it, this is what you're looking for. You one of the shotgun pellets. Don't want that in your food.
Yeah, so you got to be very careful for the pellets.
Mm-hmm.
You got to check your bird very carefully.
A lot of times you can feel it with your fingers when you're going through the meat and stuff. But
I think that's the only one, eh?
yeah, only one that was bounced off the breastbone.
Well,
I'm gonna clean up that as much as I can, and we'll be right back.
so Jay also is making some carrots for a side. And he's making potatoes with rosemary. So we're going to put that in the air fryer. So you got the cast iron. We have the cast
Cast iron.
I can't even say the fucking word. We got the cast iron frying pan out. And I'm going to put a big glob of butter. I don't know how much butter he wants, but that should be enough butter, Jay.
Yep.
Okay. So we got some good chunks. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, birdie. Smells good. Did you put the salt on it, or you do that after?
But it's some salt and pepper on one side, and I'm gonna put pepper on this side.
That's the way Papa used to make his partridge.
Yeah.
Just a simple partridge, not battered or anything, just salt and pepper and butter.
Yeah, it doesn't take long at all to cook up.
Nope. Now Jay's going to make up his plates for tonight. Oh, yeah.
Nice thing about cast iron, it retains the heat, keeps things warm when you're finishing off with everything else.
That's right. Now for the cooked carrots. Those look good.
Dr. Zivia.
Last but not least is air fried potatoes, rosemary air fried potatoes. This is a nice dinner for Sunday.
Don't do that.
Just dump it in there. That's what I do. Nice and easy.
They don't want to come out. This is your home. Go to your home.
Magic taters. Oh, I get 4? Oh, wow. Share some of that pile over there.
You get the carrots.
Yeah, I want carrots more than potatoes. Okay, so let's try to get that both on the camera here. Okay, so this is their plate. Let's try this partridge. Thank you, Mr. Partridge.
Thank you.
You look beautiful. You smell beautiful.
Mm.
You taste beautiful.
Take good.
Oh, very good. Partridge is not my favorite, but today tastes really good.
Larry style.
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to try the potatoes. I'm going to put a dollop of, a little bit of sour cream and green onions. So these are the focaccia. No, sorry, the rosemary, rosemary potatoes. Cheers.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Have you tried it?
No, you didn't pass me the fork.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Me bad. My bad. How's your potatoes?
Better than I thought they were under turkey.
Mm-hmm. Fine dining. Mm-hmm. We didn't have to go anywhere. Just sit at home and make a nice evening with this beautiful meal. And yeah.
That bird is good.
Mm-hmm. We're going to have to get some more this year.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely. Well, that's my Sunday episode. Well, that's my Sunday meal. Thanks, Jay, for making me a meal today.
Mm-hmm.
And thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment below. Bye for now. That's a caveman dinner. Except for the sour cream.
From the sour tree.
Yeah, sour cream. Sour cream. From
From the cow.
From the cow. And this is a hunter's delight.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what's left of it? He ate most of it, so.